Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Palantir. Palantir, right here, it looks kind of lonely in my account, only a couple hundred shares. So, I'm going to see if I can fix that up with some options. Alright, so here we have Palantir. We're about a month out for the monthly expiration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a put, and I'm going to sell a call. So we're almost at $27 now. I think Palantir is going up higher, so I'm going to sell it at 28. It's a little bit of an offset, skew to one side, and I know Palantir has been quite volatile, so I'm going to buy a little bit of insurance on the downside with a back spread. So if the stock really plummets, I do have some insurance to the downside to buffer my risk. So it does chew into the profits a little here, and I guess I'm okay with that. I'm going to do two of them, and I'm still going to make $300, so that's pretty good. And it filled, so let's go back. Alright, so here's my new position in Palantir. I have 228 calls. I've got two puts at $26. So if the price drops below that, I'll get put the stock potentially. And I lowered my cost basis by $1.50 for each share. And then I have a little bit of a back spread to just for some protection. So, all right. You guys have any comments or questions? Let me know. Go check out my other Palantir videos. I'm very bullish on the stock. I have lots of other shares in other accounts, so I still feel good about my position. This account, I'm just trying to generate some cash. Alright guys, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.